Hello my dear friends, welcome back, and in this video I'll tell you about one but simple but effective indicator called Alligator. It can significantly increase your success in trading, and in several following minutes we'll combine theory and practice and analyze how to apply this indicator on real charts correctly. You'll get to know how to avoid popular mistakes and how to maximize the benefit of using this indicator. I'm sure that after watching this video, each of you can start making your own money on binary options. So I recommend you watching this video attentively and make it to the end so you don't miss anything important. Enjoy! Okay, we're going to apply this indicator on the chart. We open left upper corner indicators and apply Alligator. And then we open indicators inputs, here we choose styles, and we add extra pixel to the last line, so this line is clearer for us. Then let's figure out how to earn with this indicator. Okay, so this indicator is a trend indicator. In other words, it helps us to identify which moment the trend is changed. And our goal is to point attention to these intersections as they serve us as signal to open a deal. Okay, if we see two lines intersecting the blue line, like in this moment, right here, then it's a signal to bet higher. But if those two lines intersect the blue one from top to bottom, this is a signal to bet lower. In this case, we would open the deal with lower. So on this principle, we're going to work, but let me give you an advice right away. Besides the signal from indicator, we'll be also looking for confirmation factors, which is making us confident about deals. As for confirmation factors, we're using different levels of support or resistance or candlestick analysis and many other things. I'll be sharing details while trading, and we're getting started. So I open a deal with lower, found the first case. Let's check what's up here. First of all comes an intersection. Two lines intersect the blue one from top to bottom. This is a signal for the uptrend being changed to downward. We can also check candles, and I see the candle with some big shadow at the top and small body. This candle means in this area is indeed some seller who's going to push the price lower. And I can also point out there is a level of support at the bottom, which the price will possibly tend to. So while we're waiting for this deal to be closed, I'd like to give an advice for you guys. I recommend you watching how this indicator used to work out through history, as it is a good confirmation factor for us as well. By the way, the deal is closed in a profit. So I found another case, and I opened a deal with lower for 1 minute. So in this case, I see an intersection when two lines cross the blue one from top to bottom. This is a signal of uptrends being changed to downward. As for confirmation factors, I can point out there was a level of support here that was broken through, and the price got back to it. This is called the retest of the level, and it's usually followed by the price moving further in its direction. In this case, it's for a decrease. Awesome! The second deal in a row is closed in a confident profit. We go on. So, some fresh case. Here it comes, guys. I open a deal with higher. Here I see an intersection. Two lines cross the blue one from bottom to top. This is a signal to bet higher. As for confirmation factors, I can point out exact resistance level at the top, which the price will tend to reach, and there's also candle with big shadows and small body. The signal means candle means there are not much sellers, and likely the price will go higher. So the deal is closed in a profit. Unfortunately, we didn't catch some good moment. Nevertheless, we managed to close this deal in a profit. Great. Let's look for one more case, and then we'll summarize results. I see an intersection, and I open a deal for $200 with higher. Okay, in this case, I see an intersection when two lines cross the blue one from bottom to top. This is a signal to bet higher. As for confirmation factors, I see exact levels of resistance at the top, and the price will possibly try to reach them. And let's also check candles. First of all, I see the buyer was giving off great impulsive full-bodied candles. And clearly, it means the buyer's dominance, so they'll be pushing the price higher. We can also check the last candle. It was closed in an interesting way. There is a big shadow at the bottom, small body. This candle also means a good buyer will be pushing the price higher. Okay, and let's also check the history. So I see signal for betting higher here, and it worked out, as you can see. There is a signal a bit lower as well right here, and it also worked out pretty good. And let me share another advice for you before we finish. Guys, never trade when you see a flat or accumulation on the chart. The reason is, when the market is moving this way, indicator will be making false signals. So I recommend you opening deals only when you see exact downtrend or exact uptrend. So while I was speaking, the deal is closed and a profit already. We've caught pretty good movement. Great. We've opened at this candle and we were closed during this candle, so I consider the signal worked out good. As you see, thanks to this strategy, I made my deposit more than 6 times bigger just in 4 deals. This was a perfect trading session, and today in my Telegram channel, I'll run another one on this exact strategy. Yeah, so if you don't want to spend lots of time trading, but meanwhile you want to have stable income, then join my Telegram channel following the link in the description. And now let's move to my favorite part, withdrawal. So to withdraw, we move to Finance panel, click Withdrawal, then we choose the payment method. As for me, it's cryptocurrency. We fill in the sum of withdrawal. For me, it's $674. Fill in the wallet address, and finally, confirmation code. We click Continue. Our application request has been sent. So that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching it. And please put your precious like, subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed, and bye bye. See you in my next video really soon.